Are you a person who wishes for a better life but is not able to understand what is it that you need to change to have the life you want? Are you a person who wants to be happy but is somehow entangled by your present as well as past circumstances and you're not able to come out of it? Are you someone who is trying to understand why life is testing you over and over again with the same situations, same circumstances, and same set of people, though you have tried your best not to repeat the same pattern but are somehow getting pulled into it? Are you someone who's trying to come out of your addictive behavior, but the more you try to get out of it, the more you're getting pulled into it? Right? Majority of us wear a mask and showcase that we are really happy. It might interest you to know that majority of people showcase what others want to see and not exactly what they want to show. I have interacted with hundreds of people, and during all these interactions with different people, what I've observed is majority of people long for love, long for affection, long for a person who are willing to share or lend their shoulders for these people to lean on. But majority of people are afraid of being manipulated and judged. And that's why they don't end up trusting anybody in their lives. Many of us wish for miracles to happen in our lives. But the interesting thing is, miracles are happening already around us and within us. We just need to change our perceptions about it. Right? Dr. Wayne Dyer mentioned, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Let me repeat that again. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. This is so profound, right? We need to change ourselves. We need to raise ourselves to be able to raise others. And how do we do that? When we raise ourselves, our perception about things changes. And when our perceptions changes, our thought process changes. And when our thought process changes, our behaviors changes. And when our behaviors changes, our actions changes. And when our actions changes, results will automatically follow. Do you want to know how? Does anything that I just mentioned resonate with you? Do you want to know the secret to transform your life? Then this book, The Power of Emotional Healing, authored by me, is the answer for all your questions. This book will not only help you to overcome your trauma, your hurt, or your pain, but also will give you a step-by-step framework for you to be able to transform your life in 21 days, provided you put in the effort needed, provided you are committed for your transformation. If you are a person who is committed for your transformation, then grab a copy of this book right now using the link below and transform your life in 21 days.